And I will give you one testimony today. There was a time things were so difficult for me, and I went to Ghana. I have my cousin, Baba Sode. He lives in Odokwa. And my wife woke up on the 1st January and called me a foolish man. She called me a foolish man. And I was so angry, and I said, I will show you how a foolish man behaves. Things were not going well that time, but I'm still in charge. I am the head of the family. I'm the one providing for everybody. I got so angry. I can't beat her. I can't do anything. And the following day, I took my bag. I went to Ghana. I stayed with my cousin. Women are bad. And my cousin was treating me very good. I wake up in the morning, they will serve me food because he knows me as the dog. But he did not know that but he don't know my hustle, and I come to Ghana to hustle. After 5 days, she born. After 5 days, she started looking for her husband now. She have to now call my brother in Ghana, my cousin. I say, is my husband in your house? He said, yes, he's there. He said, don't mind him. He ran away from Nigeria. That he's broke. He don't get money. The school fees don't reach. He never get money to pay. The house rent don't reach. He no one pay. His money never complete. He run to come to Ghana to come and do this thing. And the guy look at me. When the woman said all those things, the guy thought I came to, because the guy know me as a big guy. It's not every time you'll be buoyant with money. Life of a man is up and down. And the guy started mistreating me. Before, you have to make 3 or 4 indomie for us to eat in the morning before she goes. Now, you make 2 indomie or 1 indomie. The guy will tell me, this is what we have. I said, bros, even one of my sons can finish 2 indomie. He said, no, there's no problem with that. If you want to eat them, you buy it. I'm sorry to say that, but the guy looked down on me. And I now look at myself that my life is finished. I want to tell you, there is power in the Bible. Forget every other thing. There is power in God. And me, I used to be a prayer warrior. I started to pray that day. I said, my work don't knock. This woman have exposed me. Anybody that sees your shame must also see your lifting. So I said, this woman don't disgrace me. Don't give my brother Oti say I did broke. That's why I don't come Ghana. But I was going to Ghana to see that I make money and is well with everybody. And I'm still the one sending money for her. I'm still the one feeding her. I'm still the one paying for the house rent. So when this guy started mistreating me, I said, my work don't knock. I thought I would spend like 1 month in Ghana and I'll be having some free food until I'm able to get the business I came to do, because I came there to do some business with some chips, because we do galamsey at that time, we deal on gold. So the guy started treating me bad. I'm sorry to say that, my brother. If you hear it, you know what I'm saying is true. My cousin, yeah. So the guy started treating me bad. That morning, the second morning he left, I was not having any money. The only money I'm having is my transport bag. Now, for almost 12 years now, I've not entered road in anywhere, even going to East. I fly business class or first class anywhere I'm going now. But that time, like, I enter transport, they go Ghana. I go to my 2, enter bus, then enter small motor, way down there, no AC car. They'll carry me go Seneboda, from Seneboda to Lakonji to Aflawo, we don't enter Ghana with that. So whenever I go, I always keep my transport money back in case waiting I find there no happen. But my brother, that morning I was so down. I said, this woman have knocked my work. Women will deal with you. I came to Ghana to hide myself. She now reported me to people in Ghana that I'm broke, I'm running, and they started mistreating me. But God shows up. That morning, I was lying down, I was so down, and like sleep, I went into trance, and God showed me one Bible verse. God will teach you with what you know already. Yeah. He showed me one Bible verse. I get up. I cannot quote the particular verse, but I know what he said there. I now I wake up, I open my Bible. I went straight, I go and search for that Bible verse I had. And what is written there is that, save now, O Lord, I beseech you to send now your prosperity. And in that my dream, that my sleep, I heard that you should recite it 3 times. And I woke up, I read it, I said, this thing, save now, O Lord, my God, I beseech thee to send now your prosperity. And I chanted it 3 times. I lie down and then take my last card in my pocket to go and eat. I went to where I want to eat. They served me food, I tell them what they will give me, kotombele. You don't know what is kotombele. And I tell you, I'm a Ghana person. They served me light soup, then they gave me kotombele. That is like a vegetable something. And I ordered for just small meat. They put like 7 meat for me. But me, I maintain, because I have my transport bag. But I say, even if I eat my transport, I go begin call my sister. Or I go begin call my brother. Because they are the one assisting me when I'm down. So, I now decide, okay, let me eat, I will pay. I finish eating that food, I tell the girl I want to pay. The girl said, no, you can go. I said, what? I said, I want to pay. How much? He said, no, you can go. Miraculously, I left. In the evening, I have to eat again because 2 times in a day minimum. I went there again. She served me food finish. I don't use my eye, check how much maybe the food, maybe 7 cedi, you know, or 7 cedi, not Peswa. I now put hand and gave the girl 10 cedi for her to give me change. The girl took that my 10 cedi and added another 50 cedi on it and gave back to me. Do you know what is 50 cedis that time? I said, what? She said, you can go. What is happening? And getting home, I received a call that the business I came to do have clicked. And the next time, dollars start dropping. And I took this, my bro. Dollars stop dropping. Women are evil. They are spirits. Let me say, they are not evil, they are spirits. Immediately, money enters my hand. The business click. Enters, and this business is business we have been pursuing, and nothing happened. It enters. I got about $20-something thousand.
As of that time?
As of that time. I got the money. When I went to Tudum, where they are changing money, because you have to change money and send to your account in Nigeria. So I brought out $5,000. I will be maintaining myself. I went to Tudum to send the other one. Immediately I reached there. Me and Daboki can't finish how much we send in Naira. My phone began ring. I paused my wife they call. I paused the phone. He call again, 3-4 times. I come pick the phone, say, hello, what is that? He said, my sweetheart, my honey, please forgive me. I said, I know to forgive you. He said, I'm a foolish man. He said, no, you are no longer a foolish man. How did they hear the smell of money? He said, you are no longer a foolish man. I said, what do you mean? This, that. She said, no, please forgive me. I said, no, I no go forgive you. He said, when are you coming back? I said, I'm not coming back. It will take me time to. He said, let me tell you why I'm telling you this. If you don't come back tomorrow, you will see me in Ghana with your children next tomorrow. Like joke. I said this one. He said, I don't tell you. Don't worry about everything. I've called your brother. Your brother said he will assist you with some money. Come back. I said, I'm not coming back. In the night, he called me again and said, I am not missing word though. I'm not negotiating with you. I'm telling you, I know where you are in Ghana, in your cousin's place. If you don't come back tomorrow, you will see me next tomorrow in Ghana. Now my contact said, okay, just give me 1 week. I'll come 7 days. Meanwhile, you know how I stay till I say, go to so place. They will give you some money. What do I say? All the time I'm in Ghana, nothing works until I face that challenges. Until I feel that I'm finished and God intervened. That's why I say, you see Bible, you people see me whenever I'm preaching, I tell you that I believe in Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I believe in everything. Even if I am a traditional ruler, I believe because he have worked for me. He have worked for me. And that Bible back, I beseech thee, oh Lord my God, send down your prosperity. And this Bible verse took me for a very long time because anytime I find things difficult, I will chant it 3 times and consider it done. I'm a magic man and God loves me so much.